You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. For more confusing names from Jujutsu Kaisen, more character names that many get wrong, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got many here to learn more from. Japanese pronunciation. Yuta Okkotsu. Yuta Okkotsu. So in English, you can pronounce it as Yuta Okkotsu. Yuta Okkotsu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.